Sudasis, Sopolas Munamre, a baby Duro Mujata, Unum capsules, no, Mister. Open phone and num, wouldn't feed me my jai, and what you'll be at me num. Now, Bubbo Beer, Ubenya Buffa Mister, and the Kakuma TV Abba. I'm on Sunday, Yena Yip. Kuma TV Abba. I'm on Sunday, Winano baby. Kuma TV. I'm on Sunday, Yena Yip. Kuma TV Abba. I'm on Sunday, Yena Yip. Kuma TV Abba. I'm on Sunday, Winano baby. Kuma TV. I'm on Sunday, Yena Yedimu.
Abusia for Nyame enshira woni pa biara waje bre na wo hwe Kuma TV Africa sei afidi agentra ha ewo ewiase nyina. Obi ase ye de na ye. Obi ase Kuma wudide ye na adie mu a abedum Ghana abedum wiase nyina ye hye Kuma wudu a enka yenim niema ehinta Kuma wudu nti enne enipa bebre adwen mu bie sebe enka se obi adwen ofom da bi niema bi wo ho ananka hinta Kuma wudu adawroma onam spiritual house city so eyi ehinta sema kese adi ema mpane ne nketoa ehunu se da bi niema bi wo ho a esese nyina de ehu jim ni aye na boa yen ewo ho enso ho na ekire eso akata asemi wo mpa nanka obi timi ene obi tena baabi kokoam eka na sebe obeka na bedwam ama obi ehunu na ayehu Kuma wudide ose asem obi de afebeka no wode sima ba akopɛ ena beka enokre yade tum na ayeden nanso kakrakra enipa ete ne ma bi ase yedamu nyina ase na wen mu nyina betima ye ho a aseda ebekwa ama yahwefo fise mu ni ho a ye ni ho ene ebepa mo chew kakra bibi nti ye ntimi amamfra mamu ntem nanso yire so se denara esanse ya tu ye ho ase wo se ebeso mu nti eyire so se denara ene ye so mo onyame nhirawo aha the spiritual house city so ya ewo Kuma TV afidikase no eso eno ani gu a wo hwe yi bomode ya kache onua bi a otena ho twen ya ama na onim se ye ntimi mamfra mem se yaba frɛ no ɔmɛ okura frɛ no phone so na kache nse nkrofo na ba ene yete so ene nso bete nsem ne ene asem ehia me ti bomode ya na tie bi wan tie bi wa ha ho me da ase na me a medi dwumade ho chia me no medin Major Prophet Charles Opoku Dako pacho from Major 1 a Major so na dia empanimfo ene sunsumfo de ne me ene the great oracle onyame hirawo ene ye kɔ ne speed pa ntantem so ye pesa oti bibi enti ye ba so 10 minutes krampa menim se obenya bibi afrim onyame hirawo braima akwaba na ho te say last week enti me am from mem aha ene nyame adawroma nka bibi ya sanka kwam so nyame aye adom yatimi aba wo hwe braima ewo spiritual house city so ene ebre ne kwa akra se de onim no no enti yeto aso na asem tire dapono so ene say the power of words kasam tumi ede akra na ewo kasam a etumi makasa eho ye den so bi benya nhira efiri nano nanum kasa obi benya nnome ya efiri nanum kasa nano kra ede na wo ho se na ya na kasa ne bi esitie asem ba na meka be mmanya asem ba na meka be mmanya moa eho asem nene ye ba be treti onyame nhirawo fa pen no paper na tell wa so pa yi wo ye deda wonte brai mati agoprama so brai ma me sama ba so biu ya kasa obi kura be bi sasa kasa ne de yi ebrofo kasa ana atwi kasa ana dagoma hausa kasa kura ne de yi
okay medical chia en kan se mahwefo
mo
to me near home from a whole jump my share at the old soon was as a wooden monk. After so bad, to me, I come after some the idea I am for was as is so okay, you know, Meccan say Casa dear. Okay, members make Casa with bro for Nichi.
Okay.
Yeah, say what is weather, and I say Casa. It's like alphabets and letters, numbers and symbols that come together to communicate with the forces of the universe.
Okay.
Through the will of the practitioner, people now work as to force the elements of creation to bring or manifest words. And I say, and near be a person emblem. And the one in Panawayan, either so we use letters like where say be a black core, and I say numbers. And I say symbol, so dear, and I say a dear a representative. Now, what they to me near home, I would be as we ma a wood in Pemu. I am a commandant, Akasa. No more day, oh, a pedie, a brew. Tia Nimse, your Casa be a Kerdiabro, and I Casa with them, a Kerdiabro, and I say Casa with you. May kind as like Memina said, ever you be an answer easy. How Munim Sadia, when I can't, a beba. Tisani and said Casa.
Okay. Medase eno nche mu na nka obi peso otwero baby apoto ye no na nso ebre ni nti me pa cho so hwe ya obetu ya san so hwe e wo Samdakus TV e wo YouTube Samdakus TV ebi ana nsem no koyo content ka wo twero me pa cho ye wi a ana sesi a wo hwe obetu ya san a check na wo phone so Samdakus TV e ho de obetu abo playback ho TV no so de etwam se nsu ahwe egu aha Samdakus no me pa cho tie eye SAMDACKUS na the TV na so onya ko Facebook ya kana say YouTube ho a Samdakus no dem ba akopɛ enti boy ya de ne be yi aba ehye Kumawu TV no amu enti boy ya won sabeka enti tie yan na nyankopɔ be hira wo daima sometimes ya na obi etimi nya mmoa true ne kasem eduwa bi nso a obi timi nya nnome obi timi gina baabi no obodua wa frɛ nsuya na wa frɛ tumi bi na ɔde adome ne yonko waka ne wa na num asem ene ogina baabi ene wɔka ye waka na abaabi nkura no na buo nkura na hwe nkura no ebi a meka so nsuo ene ɔkasa gu nsuo no so na ɔdan gu fam ene obo tumi bi sɛ wa anye sɛ amame a memu meyo sei metietia fa odi na sɛ mekasa de etiawo waka ne yo ampani ampansa asɛm waka ye no enche bo nsa asɛm na bem na de ɔdome no na aye adwuma na ɛno no ya na tumi bita nipa na ɔkasa na chi ana ɛyɛ den na saa nsɛm no etimi bem ɛma ne timi yɛ adwuma saa.
Okay, my mention so baby fanko real baby.
Medase.
And say once me kaka say words and akasa are very powerful.
Okay.
And your kasa words are like sword. And to shadi be say words no WORDS. Also he is any free words net to question mu abeye sword. So one power dream.
Okay.
Sanity. Kasa anu one nam sesekan.
Wow. Try mame. Words. Enti wo turn esene bedi dobru no animua na ye sword.
Yeah.
That's a sekai.
That's how powerful
words
are.
Wow.
Ti enim se di bro and I see you see. Ti the besha say a shasia with symbols. Human beings no. Beginning of creation no. We represent the symbol. Symbol is the key of creation. Abodi nyina no na shasia and then symbols. Ti manfo adwene ko baby. On say ye pia your road sign baby. Yampa say big say red octagon no.
Yeah.
So upia want now who that red octagon na. Obi nkan jiro say stop and abi
Jina.
Na emu hu a e wo message bi a e pese kire.
E kira wo say utwa mu a danger. Ubetimi hono moja ani enti jina ho.
Same thing applies to creation. Shade bi ewiase abode no anase ewiase fiti ase no. Oso onyankopɔ bo nipa. Obo nipa no Bible na nkyere mu say odi we na bo ba o kire say odi not here.
And a bo nipa.
Yeah. But all the elements no and a bo nipa or the 4 elements with the spirit making 5. Until the law of symbols say every man and woman is a star. Every man and a woman is a star.
It's a star.
That means Onipa be represent a star.
And Shroma.
Onipa Jina ho. wogina wa wuti na oba wo sawe mienu mu eba na mienu ma unso dra wo ye star
mo
so on steady hwe ya
no correct
ti say mo aba wo sam mienu mu mo aba wo na ni mienu mu ma anu abi nyina ho a on fa ni hyase wuti no on draw mra se wo se wo ye star wo ye nsonoma
abusafo where the big education ema amadwem mpoda menim se saa na wo so ema wadwem said the draw star na to ho no on se star na kuta enum 5 angles ti brai ma say wa wo hweye wo pese osua de a gina ho na ye on sasei na mo obi a wo gina wo nchen and draw said wo si aye no sanka sunsum eda ho a awiya mu na nka wo ye no anka abenya na yie pa odro a wo ba wo nam no ba wo nsam wo so one draw nwie no no anya the 5 star ya ye draw no said the symbol ne te no saa pepepe onso enwanwa nti o se nipa bi a wo wiase bi aye star mo me enti ase yankwa
we star sa no wo human being no or represent elements no entire spirit a yewuti
okay
I want them there a chance free because creation starts with thoughts ne ba na be ma believe and I believe in the control elements no
wow
so what you say it is spirit
me pacho yang famra form
okay
because my hair for you obia na sebe o te kwasi broni kasa
okay
etire no
ena
nimdie nyina ahya ase efiri
ni su ni bibia no
ahya ase efiri
I don't think you free ha temple
aha no temple na sa so dan no ena o moma so
okay ana nyame na eye dey
etie
ti nyame na o ti ni pemu no aye wa adwene no aye creative wa creative bibia nti wa adwene de dimdie ne beba dimdie ne ba na ma wo gidie e ma wo gidie na no nam gidie no so ne oyo na de dia pese eba no abem
na abem
sanity so ye wa adwene mu nimdie na awo no ene wo gidie a obenya no ene control elements no eti hwade so nipa na influence wa na so ofre bibia ni ti we ye spirit the body ne saba ko represent air ako represent water ako earth and ako fire
that's right
so what I say a kapuma e be the 5 elements spirit air water earth and fire so what I say enti air no ye reason e ma wonimdie e ma wadwene
emframa no
aye wo nipa mu no e ma wonimdie adwene
e ma wonimdie ne adwene
wo so nipa bitime tina say on ka bi nshwa na say bitime ka say na bi na adwene na say e ma no answers ne aye bebrebe sana e ne ye
emframa
no e ma wonimdie ani adwene
okay
afi so eja na e wo nipa mu no aye wanum asem ti bible say nipa enum asem
aye oja
eja e wanum asem no ekum ane sa ya de ye sanita esutie so that say eja the creation ba ane sa destroy that's the creation ane nsuo aye odo nti wo hwese obi besra wo fia o ya so mema nsuo ana
mama nsuo aka
that means as a person kire odo a so
eda na say any panentem
nsuo ye odo any emotion like feelings dia wunya ana afi so earth no a control strength and stability and sika
to bo ase amanfo etwero okay ase e kone speed symbols no no ode ma we enti o se yan hya ase ho no ehia me pa wanum asem no o se emframa no ema wo nimdie ene adwene ene nsusuye ena wanum asem yi oja esai esanso ya de yi ena won sa baakwen
baako so ye asase no
baako ye asase
ema wa
ahoden
ema stability
ema wo gina yie
ana afi so ema wo timi duane ho na duane ne bibia
pie firi ba e ho na de sika ba asase no e de no no
so obi ye kokofo obi ye abrofu obi du abanche obi dua ma ni nyina asase no mu na ye de
pie firi ba
mu na sika ye de pie ba
mo
so ati ana ba ko ye nsuo ne ye odo ebeti ba ma abufu aba ebeti ba ma bibi enti nsuo ne de like you be conclude a odo ana de ba
odo ana nsuo nde ba
enti obi besra wo go besra ati because me ma nsuo ana da me so pese o kire odo a wo ye de e de manipa
na se brai mama me mfa nko sunsum kakra na me nchepuen na me nsamra machi
okay
enti se obi yusu emframa tumi a won frama mu asa enipa no oye a man of wisdom
okay
wonyanimdie ne mo ena obi yusu tumi a ewo ejamu a sa enipa ne ho otimi sai ne yie ena so obi yusu tumi a ewo asase mu a yanka na asase ansa sa nipa ne obi a ogina pintin wo sheki na oyo unshakable at the same time o control sika ena so obi yusu ensuo tumi a sa nipa ne obi a okuta odo
betima mo odo ana betima mo wale agina ye betima say no wo person no bi hia na odo betima ya ama I don't think most of the times was steady I'll be also so that yeah no be na beda as we be na be say we say my spirit na mean say nsuo to me and na order
that's odo wanti and no beda
so elements ni nyina e ho representing human beings and ni nyina so no wo so na say wo mutu mi a e wo ba bi a ni nyina ye
almost so control
control enti say wo da su no enya ni wo mu na hunu element ya wa connect with ya that pempe no asema wo beka anane ya wo ye no e wo element ya wo connect to so what I say and no your symbol side and I feel so every woman be our number every woman be our
nipa biya on a number or spiritual number said you nyankopon boss ro ni asase no or say one debi or the bo nipa that's the 6th day yeah
the 6th day that means number 6 and nipa so you jitu say you to me like home your friends say spirit soul and body you know your friends say
home okra and nipadua no
aye 3
yeah
that means a 6 spirit any number and a soul so any number the 6 no any 0 no e be hia o sabenya 6 bio after 6 for sara be kan no benya 6 na be one benya the 666
me ba wo 666 here e ka se wunya sa number na do ko bonsam gemini ade bibi ni tie me bibi ni tie asem yi mo ma asofo ntra so dem na adam the bible say and na says aboa bi beba aboa bai wonam hen woni ba bi aba eye nipa ho asem na wo ka kire wo we na bro kwasi bro ni dia dada wo etu ko ho bi ho a e wo bekum e no be yo say waka cho says wonni sa numbers we a universe wontimi nwuram wontimi nya sunsum dwuma e ma na nya yi entitie brai ma say nipa bi a wo 3 numbers meboa human number nipa number no nipa bi anso one de
awo kra eda awo ba asase so ene mbosome no ade ye wo number
medase eno say 6 we ye 6 because da nyankopon de bo so ni asase no oboda no from the first day odu da to so nsia no ode bebo nipa ento nipa bi akuta 6 in number eno say first 6 no plus 0 obenya the same 6 when so another 6 and also plus 0 ubenya the same 6 when so plus 0 and also you the same 6 it be kabu one na 6
86 plus 6
12
6
18
omo nim your friends and
numerology no
yeah we are you need double number
yeah
everything that is dual piano and I say trinity piano adds up to b1
1
Genesis was so about free ma men chain be ma so be free ma men chain ma be ka bo so anka so be 2
there be osim be baako
that means the symbol of plus the cross sign means add everything together
ebom na ya baako pe
na eja oba ne honkonkoro be ka bom be baako e be on them
that's right
but
a 1
sanity enti number bia na ye add spiritual side sanity no it is 6 plus 6 ye 12 plus 6 18 no ye 1 plus 8 ye say I 9. Who say every human being be as you 9 months and said what my boss as you so.
That's right.
And a man being human number. A man also only per piano that says 6 no represented the 9 months yes our boss as you so.
That's right.
That's the month here. And I said the day. Almost Bible nature say creation be 7th day.
Yeah.
You 8th day and you 9th day. You 8 and you 9th day.
And that also nwotwe. Ne that also enkro.
The angels no rebel here. Ka so promo freedom omo free was so.
E da to so nwotwe ne ye bra angels no. Omo ka so mo promo fa ahodie.
Omo trust ro. Omo promo fa ahodie.
Enti omo be ko other planets ana ba bi opa bia.
Ani ye 8th day, 9th day ni ye da onipa. Eso choose to say obetimi live in life. Anything no Bible say we ja obia, we ja nipa pe.
E di ama no.
Onya nipa pe ama no e say net ye. E ko alphabet wa obeti ase PNT ne the alphabet. To words so. Alpha means beginning, bet means agreement between two people.
Yeah,
alpha,
bet.
Alpha. Beginning.
Asase. And a bet.
Agreement.
And so yeah, kunsun a ben nipa mienum.
Memet my also ultimate any major palma or kone smith ubetimia. That's the meaning of alphabet.
That's right.
One tiasia won't be ase. So what you say? It will nipa decided now you're 9 months leave. 9 months will nipa ask for the free will.
Okay.
So asking the free will now you're the free will the man say, okay, nipa ya jao, but what better way?
Obo.
It's a show. so what I say any nipa shall say so be born one bra and the Bible be ka say ya jaw nipa
epe e de ama no
and what does it mean say ya jaw pa ma say ko free name be ya jaw ma ya de opese oye so what I say
yema yenhwe so ye be ye yi a
it's a argument as I say bad between we and the creator and we jaw pa na ma ya de nipa ye de
now said the word alphabet no eni wo sa akwa
eni wo kwa
e represent bibi
bibia o meaning
enti ahyase ene
so beginning argument and I said beginning
kunsu
between the creator
mpapamu menteme ho ase eno ye bet
bet between the we and the creator
that's right odofo ebi a wutie me sese yi me tesla me didi dwuma 0272 854387 0272854387 woni me tesla me didi dwuma enna maka cho se nna me message we ehia me yie enti tobu ase ne sua na beboa wo bayima yanto aso west
o se mrade konti ma menye ye bia short ko west
ya besa to aso
ko west ya hwade bu ha onso kan John chapter 1 verse 1 fiti ase na asem no ho
na asem no onyankopon na ho na asem no ye onyame na nam no so no ye ade nyina wa nkwati no anye bibi oye na asem no
ne Yesu Kristo hwade bu ha yanko Genesis chapter 1 verse 3 onso say na o yusu asem no ka say ehanye dey emra ana ehanye dey
ebae
onso o say wa nkwati asem no
anye bibi biara wo ye
God created everything and as bibi was as biara on the
with words
symbols and numbers and the created it was the first day of Australia asase second day of we that's numbers and what symbols so they represent every day and okay. Every month biara or the show man o pass on into ma ko beka to say nyankopon honhom anase ne tumi na wo nsuo ani
na butu nsuo na ni
nsuo ye element nsuo ye symbol
that's right
so what you say spirit on some can say onipa uti a spirit
that's right
so the spirit no so na existed
no
darkness was there say it symbols and bebe na na ye dey e wo and no so ye symbols and west na yanko west it also also obonipa wa garden of Eden ya ka say garden of Eden na Eden ya Aramaic word Eden means children it's a garden of children a nipa a man yakopɔ bo mo tena garden of Eden a nipa a garden of children
okay
ana asase we so jama wo word bi o de ma no o mo kana kindergarten kinder means garden kinder means children garden means garden kindergarten beginning of school asase we so we school ni aba ya wa asase we so se besua de ya amase be pe no ye besua ni de ye besua de na sade akọ
that's right
nti e ba asase we so enya yedie nti to kan Ecclesiastes ya chapter 1 verse 1 wasi asase we so nipa pre kura na de obepre bia obenya bia be fi nsa akọ vanity bibia ye pre hwehwe bia ye emframa ye mfa hwe nko na ye fa bibia ntra asase
ni nyina wo benya de ye nso be firi wonsa
sanity enti nakopo boy na ye ba asase we so se besua de we are not here for money sleep and sane man ye hu no name we are here to learn
okay
enti so we do go school ye mfa se school asia usua alphabets na begin ye sha asia kireo the way we say use letters obeki kan bom na for their form sentence na for sha asia use sa mra ni do na sha asia so use letters no alphabets a no a for apple b for bloomer say a represent way b represent way make sure say mu say a na down a symbol
a bb
and a represent bb every symbol bia has meaning every word has meaning where they want to say use word bia so be use bia the can't ase dwena hu say word bia me use hu hia e fata and some word use so what you say
okay
it you hu sa alphabets ni we add the alphabets ni boom never form a sentence you know how to use the sentence now e hona bia sha ase free e hona case ye die ni bia sha ase free enti hwe oso onipa edi nimdie dua no no be hu bone ne papa ti so be hu alphabets na afọ be hu bone ne papa because onim say okafu a e bone and onim say oka God bless you papa so right now you know the knowledge of good and evil
that's right
west so what you say mama o say no no abe nyankopon to ka Genesis ba wo so onipa be di aduaba ne wiere no afi nipa be yese nyame that's Genesis chapter 3 verse 22 wo say afi nyankopon say afi nipa abe ye nyame na ya mpamo man free to mu ankwa omu di aduaba on betra se da on be yese ya no be ye bibia ye betra ye bibia
omu di aduaba no a
omu di aduaba no
on be yese ye ne a
aduaba ne the tree of life omu di a unwu
ungu
ani ye secret na nipa anya
na se nimdiye no ho na wo enti so nipa tena ho a ana onipa tena nimdiye emu a na ni bebie obi ntimi ntwane nkwa na so obehu ni benkun nifa obehu se de obesi ana niam afa nimu aye nim nti ene obi ehunu a wo se wo meje okra fro nsam meye osei ampani ampa no aye Nyankopon frɛw enso nipa betimi afrɛw akwa asam ado by force ti so nipa tena sa garden of Eden ne mu a na ni bebie ti sa nim de ya ye de ma abontere ana ye de ma yahwefo yi so obi di achi no wotie a ni fie busum ntimi nkono ni fie ba yie ntimi nkono obi ntimi mfa ne nkwadro so nkɔsɛe no efisɛ wɔno wɔdere wɔmra na ɔde no wo de ye buruburuja wɔmra na de ɔda janom ɔno de so ɔde ja na eba wɔmra na wote janom prɛko eja nso ntimi nhigya okay
eti on say last time me can say Bible no a beginners book of occultism on say Bible ni a occultic book.
That's right.
The key to the spiritual side. That was how our religion by nanka yesa religion no omo mo die ni mu no ebo nipa manipa hu how omo use words the angels spirits and the forces no
okay
nanka matimi ama nipa penetrate the spiritual side nanka nipa ba yede abedu the highest level
okay
but man is anti and abofo ni bi da say there bi omo nti ase yeso mo ba form no mo betire nipa ade ne nipa hu de ekoso na mo from Netflix no so who say okay Bible Genesis chapter 6 here no wa person say abofo bi free soro by no mbe tena nipa nche no mbe tire nipa kwa mbe fa so ayese kan o mbe nya nimdia ya ya niam bebre
yeah
sa nimdia na creation mpe say ye be hu sa nimdia no ni ahyase ya invent niam to mo ba asase we so ne ye be ye sa niam na church ye nyina no Bible dia dan so mo course ye cheni wo mu ye do mu to ambis of head and I darkness say ye mo mu nko han mu bio ye mo mu
omo kwa ombe kire nimdia a ewo ho ama asase ne sofo na hunu omo hunu nso omo ne anyame ne nyina so be ba ako ebe pe
ye be powerful
tie ma wu hunu ye be mu atra jimi ne mu saa o sasa na wi asetie ye ma atra jimi num obi kan asam a so obetie no ontie attack obua ente sa ni Bible mu Bible nso ne ye kotu yi Brian mato aso e na wo fire
Bible ni ye yan kan say Bible ni ye e code a wo di code ya obehunu everything
wa code no ba so di code fine or the password atoso ti so o person ohunu mu age so yi password ni free so yes I wada
the secret wisdom of God and international Bible say lack of knowledge into people perish
my people perish
so when sua no one man darkness no ehun nimdia o wa ontimi nte han
one man esum no a
ehun nimdia o wa ontimi nte su han aseda
enti Brahima hwe program ma me ye ho e ma me nante pa metimi kwa abosomfie nyina oh yes me yasofo tie asema make obi yamasher eh ni yasofo anya papa tie asem ne ye se wa man wo bi a uhunu do ye ne ho meti show so na konfo bi aba no obedwa nanum no titi nanum me pese wo de mani kohwe ne dwumadi a wo die so obetere fidie no so ade wo kana te sa na because also ba me yese amawo as a host ese me bo prince ani pa na obeka na asem no me nko ma nya bibi mame o me de me kura no eso che ono ne de watera me che ono yetimi ko ba bi obi fra ne bosom kura ma efisa me de kura me no ano oden ano so ohye wo ye konfo me ya metimi asa fra honhom ni bi asa hedai asa de amawo na de aka de ho na de aye adwuma enti me nko ma obi nya bibi mame na mo me pese me kohwe se nipa obeka asa anim de sam yi etesa na obi ehuru obi a sabe wonye kristoni a obuna tantane Bible says obi ba nchen ni onkuta Christian church akonwa kora mane bi e mane nsuo nom which is wrong o kan asem no kan no eye code so di code abehu de enti o ye dan o kan sa asem no enti de o kan no I support you it is true one man dark no a wonti mente ne ma biase na ohunu han no so da because say yes all light yi ebra ye dum light yi se na sumu ha yes all light ye sumu ni nyira dan na so one mesum no abeda no watimi aso light no ya so kania bi na ha say ye nso ye osima me nyina ba bi ya ya so kania no na me nso ba bi ye sum no kania na wo so obeda no aso ni so ko wura sum no mu wura mu ansa no watimi ayedan me pa to de make watima se enti ye ne a ye hu obi a oh we de anya papa we na papa we yesa wo huna de da sua bibi wakasa ye ba asase se ye ba besua de ye besua nimde ni ewu ni de akọ asama do ni de akọ akọ bibi fine me da se brai ma yankoi
enti asase so wa besua de na wo ba se wo ye de wo besua to nipa bia no oti wa asema epia fu abo a eba no ese wo make sure na hu se asem na wo kan ehu hia ne fata se wo kan ne kwa so fiti preko pa obi aye obone because of abufuo ni nti no aka de ope
medome o me yo say
unim se biaso we ne wo no de odi one obeka bia no ti bible no kwa dia dance o say de odi one no aka no sa pepepe no me ye dey
ebeba
enya nyankopon no oba de ne kan yo na emum eye nyame no o ma confirm don't say your word be say abra cadabra a Aramic word later on and on bekan abra cadabra me benya no say a Hebrew word hwade word na asechire nyina ne say o kasa no na wo create you speak and you
wo kana na wo ye
na eye o kano na eye o kano na eye
medome o wadome dada
eye adwuma asem bi epefu anu ba bia no eye adwuma eye magic word na a powerful word abracadabra means as you speak, you know, create.
As you speak, you create.
All can you know,
that's why.
More ni pantanase, and say, wo obebele, wo obey say, and cassette would ye diablo, na man shedda, or can in a pure flu and oba, a bayaduma.
So they trust some Nakasa, the idea of Nipa Akuma Mumma, I'm gonna boost on the pure free no. To the other Cabiano, shall say what dream now about Kumem, what dinner who and son, why?
About Kumem, why?
Fine.
Tuna Kaya.
Na ya adwuma
ebefa won say ewiase we on secret back where on say every human being biano there is 144 spirits out no now
144
72
and the bible na code say heaven no enipa 144 bi wo ho dada wo mu ne afo mu ko dada that is 144
demons na so the kind of spirit 144 no your positive side and your negative side unipa ujina on we neutral
unni ha na onni ha ujira mo mfimfini
every human being be neutral we nipa bia we neutral it as far as we neutral no word ni pie flu ano a ana e kire direction e say ekọ it is me biema no wo obebra wo position
ekọ benkum
there were forces a omo support evil omo ne mo frɛ omo bonsam ko ofa na say abonsam o say demons o say evil no
demonic spirits omo de omo support boni bia obeka bia sa na nipa bebre ehu no
sa na nyankopon ye wo mu buza question say die ntina nyankopon frɛ Satan so nko so de omo hwɛ se na nye Satan adwuma no ade ntina de sa attack ma sebon sam Lucifer na nko fo ni wa ka nyankopon emu se we ye trene
ko bebre
obeda hu so atia se onyankopon no epɛ no wagya ma nipa onipa bia ye na ade onyankopon te baabi wagya tumi ama nyame ne sɛ nyame ne hwɛ ne ma so ye the law your law of karma karma ne se de oguo no na obetwa so what you say that's the law of karma you obeguo no na obetwa
eno na obetwa
asema obeka no sɛ koyi obi sa later on eba in multiples some of punish nipa eba 3 times because everything begins with trinity sɛ oka no metro obi eba 3
eba mprensa
eba en sha se wo so ko sha se wo busuani bi a wonim no sɛ de be ya wo hu ekuni wiye na be kudu otoso ansa na be ku wan kasa waka ho enu ti sa de bi aboso ye adwuma but oh standing no flow
in fact azawe de ya na edi o okutra kwore ne mako na ponche ne bete ho efifiri
oh na se bible na kasa nyankopɔ edi na tikura sa na o ka ye wose se oye bone ana se oye bone tia no na nsusu aso na e ba oso a wose e ba oso a e sha se won ta
wose me tua wose de ayi me tua agyanom so ka efa emma so awon to aso miensa ene nan
so it begins with the creation we begin generation no e sha se we kire na aba
emfra ni mu
ebe kuma kire na se we be ba
na se nyankopon o ye adwuma te se nkremofo atwere ye no what firi ni fa no de akobenku
anya omu na pe o I the law of reverse
de ayaya no saa na te
I law no saa na te law no sha se we ni mu
sha se we kire ti na nkremofo atwere mo twere firi ni fa na de ba benkum
oh yeah fa na saa but melana na se melana wo university mu no ya o backwards law ne say nipa ye ne sole ekopesika mo homa fam no ye nsole nkopesika Name on our Sicamum and about one.
Sika na eba.
Fessica, it would about Fessica, at a say about credit now. Pesa watching all. So crown Pitanam and as Okuta, the bit my attracting a man about ultimate
Obedwane.
Papa saw a choker and open a man every and open. Now one about and wait
and Tinam Penifo will be said the num and the nam. 2 pebi beer. This all the bibi kura and son and saka Sabiana or
that's the backwards law. Backwards law sanity into spiritual side of Cisca bar. Why do you know bonfire? Why do you know engine to? I dream you want you. Secret a wild dream when they say, oh, I'll be say you are doing to catch us a Debbie, yeah, but I was a man yet. You are dreaming, you know. Running for about subconscious and about consciousness. But deals with awareness.
I dear many damn also.
I need a also awareness not deals with the 7 sense. You will taste. You would therefore and mamma taste yashe. Your sight, your
encounter. The other one near
the other was sorted.
The other was sorted.
The ever found one more tinker.
Feelings.
So what I say, and your other things, Kakamo, and your willpower. So what I say, well,
the Amira Metimia, mobility.
Open, and your was her, and also all.
Said the Christo Kayano, and your said there was some this year.
I will open penny Bibiana, our family, Bibiama, Bibia. So what I say, it's Onipa, answer Bibibum, and answer the Bayadman, and answer Casa, and answer Sikabi, and answer Bibia Passayan. What do I want? No, Rebecca, I'm an abdominal. I say, I decamber.
Adriana and to more.
Why do we know? Conscious mind, no, man, aware.
That's right.
Indisible, subconscious, no, subconscious deals with facts. One day on phone say Yampa, and I say Yampa, but yet can it on Jim too? Yampa said to walk near Casa by 40 minutes in a price too. Shall they go? I am a Vinci than a Yampa soda. Sassy will make us by 40 minutes in a price too. And Yampa will be for the new Musa by 40 price to the Bien.
And so I can't, and the Adiatum.
Now, say subconscious, no convincing I'm not just to sanity.
And yet, what do you know?
I bet I'm wondering about it is hard to know subconscious on a creator. One only chance is for the creation bar, not consciousness, not awareness, not judgment. With your intention and your action, where your willpower, now, baby.
Wow.
It is Shadibua, or be bold, or friends who now, or conversing now when it's in your subconscious, no creator. I catch and say, I will be good to money.
May boss woman and yano.
May bomb in yano.
Ababa bia, onunia, ekwa sorry be a memody. Na emso bi koka, ni nua no ho asem. Ene wo twen ono so kwa asoro ho bi o. Wo twen ni nua twitwiri. Omo kwa na nipa na wo so dem ho. He, wona aka se tia me nua. Wona ye se bia no so, no aye no so wo se nkomo aso dem ho. Wodu o se, ekwa bondu ya me enko. Wo jina so dem ho se bondu ya me enko. Mi wa so no so wo kwa so ho. Enso asem na abin so se a ni nua nya dai emmo ne yonko no ka na oka asem tia wo mondu ya me enko jina so dem. Wo bomba dua no so ya dai enya no aso dem ho a. Wo wi a wo ba fia ba be dai wo be sakra.
San adenete e enti won se was study ahwa odi pa bitimi ka asem. O ka wi a o se manu me mo se sa asem
me ka ye.
Hwe adwene wo no conscious mind no aya awareness it deals with wo betima control. Most of feelings no why you when you out to control. And our subconscious no ultimate control on a creator what in a home one unlimited only limit ultimate the opibia
so ka so wo ye
or yeah and one say conscious mind
bediatum
now one no kasa no one affirmation no that means your
what the fire na to so e jane so mu a
ayaduma consciousness now subconscious no it deals with the natural forces on the creator.
Okay,
it's what you did that was say as above so below as within so without as the soul no so the universe. I don't need the symbol of the 6 raised star. I don't kind of the Star of David. I don't need a Judaism for symbol. So what I say. And you what the pillar, your friends, a pentagram, the spirit, air, water, and you know, so you're human being.
Wow.
It's so who nipa who you so you know now you need to now kasa to me your spirit no it's a key and send the message to the forces. What's medical can that said the thought create belief and the belief control the elements.
That's right.
It is our unity to now okay no be that GDO say be aduma. Now I send it down with GDO no higher frequency and also energy frequency no I'm a nature add a non elements no because when you go for the elements in the BBR and only be assume to me now the other elements in come or body for the annual and so a jar and from us I never know when you I want to me turn from come so what I say
okay
car yeah the chef from engine more young than me after and so a jar and from a camera
That's right. Amana ye adwuma.
Every creation be was as deals with the 5 elements and say adwuma. To onipa or represent elements no. Why the neka na gidi sum. Na elements ni dituma be ye adwuma.
Na ye adwuma. Niam me ensan.
And niam me ensan, that's the beginning of creation. Creation as say nyina no.
Brahima, ma menwura me text message mu kakra. Ena my homodwe if you say Martin Sem. Abrante bi di aba. Well, say, good evening, Major. I'm highly educated today. In fact, your program is really good. God bless you and your guest, Brahima. Onone di eno. Wa money di eno an tro baby a odi free eba. Me patcho so pese odi text message bi eba. Eya abomoden a na etwe odin na che baby odi free. Said e be ye be hu se nipa so mesi ene de bae. Me da say. Well, say good evening. In fact, Brahima is educating us. Pa. My God bless him. I'm Agabus from Pristia. Ora Agabus, yada say, Brahima enche no ewura wo. Me da say pa. When you say the best program, I'm Abu Bakar watching you live in Libya. Mr. Abu Bakar, yada say pa in Libya odo asem everybody. When say good evening, Samdakus TV. Ayo Kumawu TV. Meaning so no Samdakus TV ewo YouTube so. Meda say o say don't forget number 11 and 22. It's a super number that is not single. I think Apostle Kojo Safo is number 11. In numerology any 2 daggers. The Apostle Kojo Safo can be 2 daggers. Everything is one. And to say Apostle Joseph who believe we say number 11 and Patoni or number 2. Because 1 + 1. Me that say. But no crazy say also I want to ask if Black Star and cause or and say Black Star say Back Star symbol positive or say Back Star symbol positive symbol or not, please. Maintain your person watching say. Was it thirdly, how can one attain angel status or God status? As all these are titles like a doctor, it's a title that can be obtained. Was it better than will be anya angel ne statue? And also Yankopon a statue. The women in our titles are onipetiminya. And I'm sabrofonos and or person watching. Me patcho na na sa ebrabio na obrofo na ma nte wase yi. We say good evening Nana. My name is Kofi from Libya. Me patcho menya Nana o meye onyankopɔ di from patcho. Me ka say metimi kɔ abosomfio nim say bia meye konfo. Me patcho betu from Major na the great oracle. Ana odi for pokuda kompatcho me dey no. We say Kofi from Libya. Thanks very much for making things clear for us. Please, I want to something about myself. Anytime I have a suspect about something, it really happens, or if I'm to go somewhere and I'm not happy about going, if I try it, we'll get problem there. Brofo ya mama emuna kakramaye. O se bibi opese oye bia no when your feelings bi sa adwene chance onya oye ana ye yie se okọ ba bi na se ne ho emfa no ana se ne ho ye no bibia na chance ade no onya so try so obe ya otimi ehia bibi em se sa na opese o kire okay when so why voice audio me patch voice dey mean timi mo na fidie so we say good boss, I love this program and God bless Ima Amaswa from Koforidia. Me pacha ya da se pa Nyankopon enhraw. We say, hey, we dey na message ye bebre. O say good evening. I'm Frederick Minu from Takrade. I'm enjoying your show. God should continually bless you and your crew for a wonderful show like this. Good job. I really don't joke with hot seat, because it is time for me to know mysteries. Star pa! I like today's teachings. Wow! decoding of Bible. God bless Ima. Me pacha da se pa. Ya da se oba de show. We say, please, we need more time for this program. Me pacha mu here more time wa. Mumra me so masene said de bia meka no. Ke kutabe 2 or 3 hours. Mu a mo hwei ko bia jeje 1 cedi say de beto air time ewo Kumawu TV so e de amaya nka me feel say enke benya more educative time. Or say, I want to ask, how can I pray for spiritual eye? Open a third eye, no. Me pato, ye we are ubetimi afre. Third eye, ye mom paye nya. Ye mom paye nya. Obi ka jo so be bom paye. Ama no wani e to so me yense bia lie enya no kore. Me pato ye we are ubetimi afre mejo. Ni ye di ho nkomo. Aha, third eye no so e wodwumadi a kwa fa so eba. Mamento de kakra. New Buffon Herbal Mixture, any new Buffon Herbal capsules. Olu Buffon say, oye abedum Ghana, on the homa any pebia. Buffon say, so you be a sabe, yare adokro said, Crodosa. Buffon say, for nature na share. The whole Ghana baby obeku biara, ya tonton, herbal medicine biano. Buffon say, nino asheta babia, aje babia, gentle ha. No be also baba for about to say Buffan dear. Yeah, just say, Yentimi Yana tree dear that. Buffan ya Buffan. Buffan say, low sperm count, but more dear bra. Who your baby, Nasabe, what tinka at the qua, Buffan say, but more dear bra. And now, who your beer, was say, so Johnson, or Johnson at no tea yawa, Buffan say, but more dear bra. Who your beer, why you mre ewon pemua, Buffan so ho. Who your beer? Uhunami or hina, Baffansu or ho. We will be a sabe. Wominim, we say, oh, there may ye. Call minimua, Baffan say, and no or wardrobe at Tatahokra. We will be a sabe, one bong. Ah, what dear, I think I know a dame. Baffansu will be a sabe and ka, a one numua, Macanasa. Obis Papa one can ye cry, one body, I know a shit. Man kan sa won ko me ka so no mbon a o so no obi kasa no oyi ne hwene obi won so ohu ani mpa so otie so no wasi ne hwene wasi ne ho me no e ho no ma no oyi na ni ato nchen no aye ho wo pumfra ma na wo jagu ne hwene wo yi agu nchen anya sa na wura ne mo ama ne yare ba fa se bomodin akọ ne ko pe ne nuro ne bi ba fa se wo yi oba wo tena se asabe na akonwa wo tena so na eso afọ ba fa se enye Uyo ba bosume no ba bedru a won sabuo bre na ba beso a na wo tie mo ya so twa se te anu oden uyo bi odidi aduane to yam a na wo hunu amane wo bufa so ekura ba yam ba fa se sa ne ma wo nyina o na dro ba fa se men kan cho ba bi obekọ nationwide bia ni no ne bi ho wo kwa wo de ya ne se me pe ba fa dro ne bi wonya boss mpe ba fa dro ne bi pa obi anum se ba fa na abo ne din bomodin a ne ko also so pendo so poor. Me phone number ma 0453 511 501 0453 511 501 and 0208 233 058 0208 233 058 Oru Abafan Abadum Ghana Madu GB1 Industries GB1 say omu adwumakuo bia omu ba magana fo nyina na omu dwumadi omu de enya Ghana hanko omu ko Togo omu ko Benin Nigeria nyina omu ko kobon croford da so efi say omu ye expert in contracting and now say expert say ya board down so pa de the whole Ghana me huru adwumaku a etim board down so che GB1 metim so anoma sorry me dan mo hwe ne ye mo na ba bebo so ama me aka akra bi na ma wie ma ba bebo so na bibia ya kama metim ade adanse ne ye GB1 say wo si dan wo de ya ne so ne machine ne nkasa wo ne carpenter for de nua ne begu so ne o nkasa apart from that wo wie wo nwini nsu e beto ho wo nwi mframa e bebo ho e na nwina wie e be hye wo GB1 so de here as a natural lentil enya dru lentil edru eso bono nko a GB1 se frɛ no wo frɛ no a wono a de chance ba begu so na obebɔ so kama wei wo hwɛ ba bi hunu sɛ dadoa bi ta ba bi ana ro ba bi hunu se ensuo fa ba bi da bi gibi wa se o border so no hu sa bra na ba ju sika enchanse ne nadoa ne nyina wa fa di free gibi wa se men kan chew gibi wa so mu ni ba bi o mu ho kura fa no akom ya ebe ofe so anasa e ofe road kura na fa no akom no o mu custom barrier ho a enti ope gibi wa na fo ani kire ofe road wo kwa na obisa mepe kura na fa no akom yenya che akom a wo se mepe ba bi a custom barrier ne sie no e ho na company no e wo me pa cho mo number ne 0540 123212 0540 123212 anasa 0243 577283 0243 577283 GB1 Industries omo eye papa afa mejo wan so kai o say sunsum dwumadie na mejo wan oye da bia meka cho say ye wodi fudwuma ne o sunsum dwuma obi ye di for te aso dem nkom hye nko na otimi hye o hye ne nkom ye wawie na so wo ufo na san kwan ta ho a obede wodi ufo na mana yiye ye hye nkom na se amfo oye no akwanche na ntofo ma nka ho a ade no yaka aba but se be ya won sabeka no eno ne asem no enti mejo wan so wonde sunsum dwuma na otwede ampon oba ade de adom no uyo obi ope sunsum de aye adwuma o spirit pa menim spirit a wo na asase so wo de sunsum apa no ba bodin me pesa spirit we mejo wan be kire de ama wo na so wanya ho mu ade ye adwuma ebeboa wo sunsum ohaw wo da no obi no obeda eno mpo de ho adro ade ketewa bi me mo mpa ye mawo me ma anya bibia eno anse koye wei pa eto atwa wo ye adwuma enkoyie how kese pa na da so mejo wan say sa adwuma wo nyina wo ye de boa nipa so po obie wo po ba bi oba no so ompew brai ye mfa kwankyere ento fom ye de nakade ka no wi a eno ano oba no ahye amawo be ma no ahye amawo bibia dam kan kra wo ni problem je mejo wan number na frɛ 0453 011 926 0453 011 926 and 0272 85 4387 wey ene mejo wan numbers a ode edi dwuma enti oso bepie mu a ye beye dwuma e de amawo na bibia aye kama me pa cho nchem bebie me phone line no atum na text message ni bebre aba ma menyin free ho we say good evening Major, please how can one knows his guardian angel? I'm Elijah, live Tripoli, Libya for there metim so anoma sore nyame enhra mo pa say mo dokuma wood afidikase. We say hi, good evening, I'm Osai from Libya. I just enjoy you bless enjoy you bless more me pa cha won say na ni ade ho pa wa enjoy nyame say agene so. We say hi, I'm Nana from Enche. This program is really good, keep doing it. Me pa cha da say nyankopon shapa. We say hi Major, I'm McBride from Tachimai. Please, I hardly identify my talent. Please, can you give me a hint? We were saying the talent, you know. Wontimi entre and now wontimi hu the talent, you know. We say I'm Koli from Libya. Please, how can someone support you to extend the program? I mean, which way? Especially we that we live outside the country. Me patch from your phone in here. Makato memfa. Oh, say me jira fidie so. What's that from memfa? Me year from. Mr. Cole me patch out. Ya power. Aya bomode from Major number no meche okwan ya befa so a ye betimi a support. Some person be mu betu eska. Me the number bi beto. Said ya be ya. Wo betimi atu eska de ato so ne yetimi extend program no. Na bibia timi akokama. We say good evening Pastor Frank and Nana Kofi talking from Libya. Zuwara, me and my brother, understand our brothers very good. Hey, understand our brothers very. Hey, okay. God bless you. Will we with you always? Me pacha da se samu kan ho pa na mate bra yi man so ase nyame enhia mo nyina. And the way so say I meant Nana from London or the Aba. I said I meant black star symbol on Ghana flag And also, if you can research properly about number 11 and number 22, number 22 number, please, as I have done my research, thanks. Okay, number 11 and 22 are life path numbers in numerology. They are highly spiritual, humanitarian people. Okay, well, say, I'm proud of this program. Keep it up. It's really educative program I ever watched on media station. Muzamiru watching you live in Libya. Me pacho ya dase onyankopo ensha pa. Me pacho baby adru so yi agro na ye de. Then so program na me de ko awieye. And na de one hwe me ntimi me phone line no. If it's my time no ko pa yi. We say Kwame Elias from Libya. Good job. I love your programs. Me pacho ya dase owura Kwame Elias. Me pacho said the program na say ye de no. Me so frame me amemfo mani tu apanso memfa on sem de ato wo de frame me phone no me battery ngu memfa me ya na phone ya me dia maka me da ase me ntimi me phone line no antum efisa ebre ne ko agro na ye de na ade esa akirichirifo amansa akonwa ba akofo nye emfa enempo adum bi na adum ye na yetimi aba emframem me pacho me crew yankopon hya mo nyina nyame enhya me crew me wo MCL sister Loretta nyame enshapa me wo VTR Augustina mame nyame enshapa ena me wo me DOP Mr. Kobe Frank Elias Kaiwachi obi da ka say Elias ena me wo me production manager Mr. Ochunozo nyame enshapa Ochunozo 1 ena me wo me yankasa me yire me dompemu honam honam
hey first day wa David
Dave.
Mr. Carter. Dave, we need a hand time. Now where they are?
Oh, Bema. The new project.
Oh, for fear no.
Me fear for from Miss Yenny. Who for fear?
What's in the come up?
Bema, me nyada da bow. Me dada nankasa.
Wow, fear ni.
Me fear ni. Come and let me show you around.
Na say one first can to atare ni mpago nyina de this kan yin. Oh, why are they pa?
Me dia de pasha de pem. We 4 flats ne go no. Oh, say this tier no. E bia won jacuzzi.
No, we said the dinosaur ben you know.
We be the special contractor.
Nipa na G sky ade we bu so ma. Nothing we on more so.
Obu me ana.
We dinosaur ta e be se shower. So be bu ta. So be bu.
The contractor obu me ana.
Nipa nye ontina be ifo ri nipa yi.
Hey.
We. Masa me de me nyansi da ba mani ati o me nkofa de we me go dan so.
Sa me che contractor we ya.
Ja me fa nko GB1 for twa me che no kra so a. Police for kra ba juicy gadi.
GB1.
Mama mfa nko GB1 for to see a.
Obenwu GB1 Industries wa koma e ben custom barrier wo fin so kwan so from 0243 577 293.
Tale